a beneficiary of what's been going on has been eBay. We talked about it, but I wanted to mention it again because we are going to be hearing from the company's CEO. Only a second interview, an exclusive here in the next hour, Jamie Iannone. But take a look at shares of eBay, kind of moving dramatically higher, even higher than its one-time companion PayPal shares, which Jim already went into. They had a very good quarter. A lot of people at home, they're using eBay, and they've got new people on there as well. Active buyers up 7%. Gross merchandise volume was $26.6 billion for the fourth quarter. That was up 21% on a reported basis, and revenue up 28%. We'll talk to him, though, about the future. In particular, the question, of course, is when you start to lap these comparisons over the period of time when everybody was at home, things, Jim, may not quite look as good.
I think you have to talk about that. The deepening seller base, buyer growth, superior execution. We know that management has come in and done a good job. E-commerce, of course, is something that's very important for everybody. And we haven't even talked about, say, Ralph Lauren and e-commerce. And we haven't talked about the idea that the e-commerce and what's going to happen with the big game this weekend. But I will point out, David, they called out sneakers and watches. Sneakers are something people trade the way that I used to think we traded trading cards. But it's a very profitable business. I think you're going to have to ask him about particular categories. And by the way, Europe has always loved eBay. So I remember when people said, as you were mentioning, sell PayPal because it was going to lose the eBay business, and this is the seminal year for that, and buy eBay. Well, clearly that was wrong. But I think that eBay under this management, David, has a very good call on what the consumer wants to do at home. Maybe they're bored, and when they're not bored, people will do something else. But right now, I just flat-out good quarter, David. Just a flat-out good quarter.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.